Wow, that's a nice fit. Anyway, I brought this inside from outside, which was a mistake. Because, oh no, I necked the tube. No, I'm just kidding. It's still really moist. Homicide Life on the Streets wrapping up. Episode 2. Let's see it.
Hey, Howard, wasn't it you that said certain phenomena can't be explained?
Dispatch, we've got a 20 on ratio stolen sunglasses. Send everybody.
Weekdays. The following movie has been rated AC for awesome on Comet.
So you'll let me stay home? No. Honey, every once in a while, you gotta pull up those gym shorts, lace up those high tops, and face your fears. Well, you could do what Fran did.
Striped golfing umbrella. Yes. What's this? It's an apple. No. What is it? It's the Bolivian Navy on maneuvers in the South Pacific.
All right, Mom, you can do it.
No, I can.
Programs are off limits to African.
I think I follow a guy who watches that.
What's this? It's a banana.